In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable webrtc in Brave browser. By the end, you'll have webrtc restricted so it won't expose your IP through non-proxied connections, which is especially helpful if you use a VPN or proxy. First, open Brave browser so you're on a regular browsing window. Now go to the address bar at the top. Click once to focus it, then type exactly brave://settings/privacy. Press Enter to open Brave's privacy and security settings page. You're now in the correct settings area. From here, scroll down until you see the section labeled webrtc IP handling policy. Take your time scrolling. It's a little way down the page. You're looking specifically for the option named webrtc IP handling policy. Once you see it, click the drop-down next to webrtc IP handling policy. In the list that opens, you select Disable Non-Proxied UDP. This option tells Brave not to let webrtc send UDP traffic outside of your proxy, or VPN, which is what can cause IP leaks. The change applies immediately. There's no save button and no restart required. At this point, the setting should show as Disable Non-Proxied UDP. If you clicked it, you're done with the change. This is a safe, reversible setting, and you can always return here later and choose a different option if you need to use services like web-based voice or video calls that rely on webrtc. Once that's done, you can close the Settings tab. Click the X on the Settings tab at the top to return to your previous page. Your webrtc IP handling policy in Brave is now set to Disable Non-Proxied UDP, and the change is active. This stops webrtc from using non-proxied UDP routes, thus helping prevent your real IP from leaking while you browse. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.